This is spoken 1 and 2 model exit exam for English language and literature graduates. Actually, the questions are multiple choice questions and basically spoken elements or contents of spoken 1 and spoken 2. So let me start the question, please. Yeah, the questions actually consists or focus on the theoretical parts of spoken and also practical part of spoken. Yeah, the first question: a word beginning with a voiced, bilabial, and plosive. Voiced, bilabial, and plosive. Yeah, this question is consonant sounds, which are the key ingredients for improving or pronunciation. Yeah, consonant sound, the vowel sound, triphthong, diphthong, intonation, stress, rime. These are the very important part for improving pronunciation actually. So the question is about consonant sound. Yeah, we just quality of consonant sound in terms of place of articulation, manner of articulation, whether the sounds are voiced and unvoiced actually. So this refers about place where the sounds are produced here. Voiced sound, which are bilabial, and plosive sounds, which one do you think is really right for this consonant sound here? ከነዚህ ቃሎች ውስጥ ይሄን የሚያሟላው ነው የሚላችሁ። ቮይስድ የሆነው ባይላቢያል የሆነው ፕሎሲቭ ሳውንድ ነው። ፕሎሲቭ ማለት ዋስ ማነር ኦፍ አርቲኩሌሽን ነው። ዝግ ድምጽ ማለት ነው። የከናፍር ድምጽ ማለት ነው። ነዛሪ ድምጽ ነው የሚላችሁ። አንድ ቃል በእነዚህ የሚጀምረው የትኛው ነው? ብ ቤ ሲት ሊት ፒት ያ ቮይስድ ነው የጠየቃችሁ። ልብ አድርጉ። ባይላቢያል የሆኑ ድምጾች ማን ናቸው? ትብ ባይላቢያል ናቸው። ትብ ትድ አልቪዮላ ናቸው። ክግ and velar sounds ናቸው። how many consonant sounds in plosive? that's called 6 from this bilabial focus የምናደርገው ትብ and the word ትብ which is this sound is ምንድን ድምጽ ነው? ይሄ ባይላቢያል ነው፣ ፕሎሲቭ ነው and voiced ነው። ይሄኛው ባይላቢያል ነው፣ ፕሎሲቭ ነው፣ voiceless ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄ ድምጽ ነው ማለት ነው። blank is a speech sound in which the airstream from the lungs are not blocked in any way. So the throat which is usually pronounced with vibration or the vocal sounds. Yeah, look now. This is speech organ actually which is pulmonic and non-pulmonic የሚለው ነገር pulmonic ማለት ድምጽ ከሳምባ ወጥቶ consonant ሳውንዶችን ፕሮዲዩስ የምናደርግ ሲሆን ድምጽ ታሽጎ ወይ ታፍኖ እንደገና ይፈነዳል ድምጹን ስናወጣ ወይም ቃላቱን ስናወጣ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄ ሲለብል ነው ወይ ቫወል ሳውንድ ነው ወይ consonant ሳውንድ ነው ወይ word question ነው ወይ ነው የሚጠይቃቸው actually. So it's not syllable, it's not vowel, but the answer is consonant sound. Yeah, consonant sounds which are actually different from the vowel sounds. The airstream mechanism completely closes and air begins from the lung and pass through the glottis and the epiglottis which comes through the vocal cavity, and we can produce consonant sounds actually, the 24 consonant sounds. So the initial steps of producing sound, especially for consonant sound, is the lung here. For example, complete closure, the plosive sound ውሰዱትና ዝግ ድምጾች አየር ሙሉ ለሙሉ completely closed ይሆንና እንደገና ብረስት እናደርገዋለን። እነዚህ ብረስት ማለት ድምጹ ሲፈነዳ ወይም ሲፈጠር ድምጹ ይፈነዳ ነው complete closure። fricative semi closure ነው የምትሉት። semi closure ማለት ድምጽ በምላሳችን ጎንና ጎን እየተሽለከለከ የሚፈጠር ድምጽ ናቸው። ፍሪኬቲቭ ድምጽ ናቸው። አፍሪኬት የምትሏቸው ደግሞ የአክቹአሊ ፖስት አልቪዮላ ላይ የሚፈጠሩ ቺናጂ ድምጾች ናቸው። እነሱ ፍትግ ድምጽ ነው የምትሏቸው። ትሪል አለ፣ ሰሚ አፕሮክሲማንት አለ፣ ናሳል ሳውንዶች አር ኦል ዲስ አር ኮልድ ምን እንላቸዋለን? the consonant sound ነው የምትሏቸው። please the word suprasegment superimpose is pronounced superimpose. how can you pronounce superimpose? Superimpose is pronounced as superimpose and superimpose, and here is superimpose and superimpose. So which one? Impose or is and is simple sound here. Superimpose. So the answer is the superimpose. No superimpose. አይደለም የምትሉት Number 4 please. Yeah, number 4. The word in which the consonant in the middle is voiceless ነው የሚላችሁ yes voiceless መካከል ላይ ያለው ድምጽ ምንድነው የሚላችሁ voiceless ነው voiceless ማለት ኢነዛሪ ነው vocal fold far apart ሆነ ላይ ነካካም vibration አይኖርም vibrate ካደረገ ደግሞ ድምጹ አይነዝርም ማለት ነው dental ነው actually የጥርስ ድምጽ ማለት ነው fricative ነው ተሽሎክላኪ ድምጽ ነው so we have only two consonant sounds which we produce with dental or interdental. The lower teeth touches the upper teeth and we produce two sounds. The first one is the th sound. The second sound is the. The. Father, mother, brother. Yes, right. First thank you. Thank you. Both. The sound says የመጀመሪያው th sound voiceless ነው ሁለተኛው z sound voiced ነው ስለዚህ voiceless ነው የሚላችሁ nothing ካላችሁ exactly nothing ስታነቡት sound ብላችሁ nothing within no logging within of course የመሆን ይችላል within of course with አይደለም ነው within these are also possible middle ላይ ያለው ድምጽ sound ይሰጣቸዋል please the phonemic transcription for the first sound of physics is physics phonemic transcription physics የሚለውን ቃል phonetically ስንጽፈው which sound do we use to begin the word physics physics sound exactly the word physics sound nice sound actually the sounds are different but the pronunciation is sound here physics the phoneme that does not belong to the class of sounds all sharing one or more common properties is no የሚላችሁ all the sounds have the same common property but one is different or which one do you think is an odd one out ነው የሚላችሁ an odd one out ማለት ሌሎቹ ድምጾች ተመሳሳይ ፕሮፐርቲያቸውን የጋራ ባህሪ ያላቸው አንዱ ግን የተለየ ባህሪ ያለው ነው የሚጠይቃችሁ ለምሳሌ ይሄን ሰው ይህ ሳውንድ ነው ይሄ I think this is ይህ ሳውንድ ነው palatal sound ነች only palatal sound ነች bilabial sound ነው and this one is actually trill ነው trill sound ነው ወይም that's called semi approximant ነው የምትሉት and this one is the she sound ነው ስለዚህ እነዚህ ምንድናቸው all these sounds are voiced ናቸው ይሄኛው voiceless ነው fricative ነው ተመሳሳይ ባህሪ ያላቸው እነዚህ ማለት ናቸው ተመሳሳይ semi approximant all right ወይም voiced ነው ምንድናቸው እነዚህ but this one is voiceless so it is different from the rest sounds please ይሄ ድምጽ ከነዚህ ድምጾች የተለየ ነው so the answer is D ብላችሁ ነው the she sound ማለት ነው ማለት question number 7 the word that begins with a voiced alveolar plosive consonant voiced alveolar think of alveolar voiced alveolar plosive sound ነው የሚጠይቃችሁ plosive ማለት stop sound ነው actually stop sound pb td and kg ናቸው pb bilabial td alveolar and kg velar ናቸው ጥያቄያችሁ ምንድነው voiced alveolar ነው so the word that begin with a voiced የሚጀምር በvoiced የሚጀምር ነው በእነዚህ በplosive voiced alveolar ድምጽ የሚጀምረው day ካላችሁ ልክ ነው because the sound by itself is plosive characteristics of this sound is one it is plosive second is voiced and the third one is its place of articulation is alveolar region የድድ ድምጽ ነው so the word which begins with this characteristics is only day but the rest is not actually fulfill for these characters ሌሎቹ አያሟሉም ማለት ነው question number 8 here the word thin begins with a blank sound thin እዚህ የመጀመሪያውን ድምጽ ነው የምታዩት which consonant sound it is thin if you pronounce the word correctly you can understand this if you do not understand if you pronounce the word incorrectly you cannot state the descriptive characteristics of the sound impossible ካነበባችሁ ይቻላል ልክ ነው ስንል dental ነው voiced ነው plosive ነው voiced አይደለም actually labiodental ነው voiced fricative ነው fricative አይደለም okay voicedም አይደለም labiodentalም አይደለም interdental voiceless and plosive ነው interdental ማለት የጥርስ ድምጽ ነው voiceless ነው ኢነዛሪ ነው plosive ነው absolutely right so the answer is right ሲ ብላችሁ መልሳላችሁ ዲ ላይ ስትመጡ dental voiceless fricative አላችሁ No, it's not. Yes, it's not the answer. The answer is here. The answer is here. No, the answer, please. Here are the numbers. So, sorry for that. Anyway, because it's not interdental, of course. Dental sound, voiceless, and fricative. Look, no. Again, plosive አይደለም ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር. So the s sound is not plosive sound, please. So s sound, yeah, right. So the answer is D. How many syllables are there in the word controversial? Controversial. Contro, yeah. እዚህ ጋር ፖዝ አድርጉት አንድ ኮንትሮ እዚህ ጋር ሌላ ፖዝ አድርጉ ኮንትሮቨር ይሄው እንደዚህ ጨረሳችሁ። how many 4 ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። controversial actually it has its own rules for writing the word in syllable structure, please. በትክክለኛው syllable structure ለመጻፍ እንደዚህ ነው። ኮንትሮ ሁለት ከንሰናንት አለ ስፕሊት እናደርገዋለን። ቫውል ከንሰናንት አለ ስፕሊት እናደርገዋለን። ከንሰናንት አለ ስፕሊት እናደርገዋለን። controversial. So how many syllable words does a word have? Normally 4 syllable word. Absolutely right. This is a way that you split or you write the words in syllable structure. And there is pausing whenever we change one sound to the other sound. Pause ታደርጋለህ ከአንድ ድምፅ ወደ ሌላ ድምፅ ሲቀይር ፖዝ ያደርጋል። ከን ይልና ትሮ ይላል፣ ትሮ ይልና ቨ ይላል፣ ቨ ይልና ሻ ይላል። አራት ድምፅ እንዳለው በቀጥታ አራት ሲሌብል ወይም ኒውክለስ እንለዋለን እንዳለው ይታወቃል ማለት ነው። The word that ends with a voiceless velar consonant. Voiceless velar የሚጨርሰው ነው። voiceless velar sound ማለት ነው። voiceless velar nasal consonant. nasal የሰርን ድምፅ ሁለት ናቸው። ም እንግ ናቸው። ም ናሳል ነው። place of articulation ባይላቢ ያለው የከናፍር ነው። and ን ናሳል ነው። actually የአልቪዮላር ሪጅ ነው። እንግ ደግሞ ናሳል ነው። ፕሌስ ኦፍ አርቲኩሌሽኑ ደግሞ ምንድን ላይ ነው? ቬላር ነው የምናገኘው ማለት ነው። ቬላር ነው። ስለዚህ ቬላር ሆኖ ቮይስድ ነው። እንግ ለምሳሌ ሃንድባግ ግ ሳውንድ ነው። ሎንግ ግ ሳውንድ ነው። ኦባንግ ክሊክ ቬላር ነው ግን ፕሎሲቭ ነው። ናሳል አይደለም። ይሄ ሎንግ እንግ ነው። አክቹአሊ ባግ ይሄ አይደለም። ሎንግ Obang, long here. The answer is here. Okay? The answer is here, please. Obang, eng የሚለውን ድምፅ ታገኛላችሁ። eng nasal sound, voice ነው፣ velar sound ነው። Actually, that's the answer, please. Circle the word that begins with a voiced labiodental fricative ነው የሚላችሁ። voiced labiodental የምንላቸው የከንፈርና የጥርስ ማለት ነው። The lower lip touches the upper teeth. We produce the labiodental teeth. We have only 2 labiodental which are fricative. Manner of articulation ናቸው fricative ናቸው። place of articulation ናቸው ደግሞ labiodental ናቸው። labiodental ፍናቭ ናቸው። actually ፍናቭ ናቸው። ስለዚህ ከዛው ሲጠይቀ ማለት ነው labiodental fricative ያ voice ነው። ፍቭ ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። ቭ yes ፍቭ ለምሳሌ ይሄው vein Tel Aviv ያ bass ይነዝራል ድምፁ። ለምሳሌ fine for no voiceless ነው ይሄ actually. So the answer is vine ስላላችሁ። The word that contains low front and rounded vowel. low front and rounded vowel. አሁን ቫውሎችን ደግሞ በስንት እንከፍላቸዋለን? in terms of position of tongue ነው። አንደኛ ፍሮንት አለ፣ ሴንትራል አለ፣ ባክ አለ። position of tongue height of tongue አለ፣ high mid and low እንላለን። and then rounding and unrounding of lip ሶስት ኳሊቲ ያላቸው ቫውሎችን የምንከፍልባቸው ካራክተሪስቲክሳቸው የምንጽፍባቸው በዚህ መሰረት ነው ቫውል ሳውንዶችን የምናነባቸው ማለት ነው። ሳማር ባክ ፍሮንት ሴንትራል ሃይ ሚድ ኤንድ ሎው actually የሚጠይቃቸው ምንድነው? ሎው ናቸው። ሎው ማለት height of tongue ላይ ነው፣ ዝቅ ይላል። ፍሮንት ነው position of tongue ፊት ለፊት ላይ ነው የሚሆኑት። unrounded ናቸው ማለት ድምጾ አይከብም፣ ከናፍራችን አይከብም ነው። ይህን ቃል የያዘ የትኛው ነው የሚላቸው? ቦርን ኦ ሳውንድ ነው። ባክ ነው ራውንድድ ያደርጋል። ban and vowel ኒውክሊየስ ነው። ተት vowel sound ምላሳችን ሎ ያደርጋል። ኦኬ ቼክ አድርጉ እስኪ። bag ኮይን ይሄ አይሆንም እኮ ኦ ሳውንድ ነው። እና ዲ አይሆንም። ban yes ban no ban ይሄው ban yes ፍሮንት ላይ ነው። ምላስ ዝቅ ይላል። አንራውንድ ነው። so The answer is completely B ብላችሁ የምትመልሱት please. Take care. ከምላስ አንፃር ነው። The 12 sounds, the 12 vowel sounds, we produce the 12 sounds according to the position of tongue and height of tongue, rounding and unrounding of lip. These are the quality of pronouncing for vowel sounds, which are different from consonant sounds actually. Consonant sound, place of articulation, manner of articulation, voiced and devoiced or unvoiced, which is the vocal folds touch. We can produce vibrate, voiced, far apart, unvoiced sounds can be produced. So that's okay. That's the way we produce these sounds, please. Yeah. Television, television, G. The underlined letter is pronounced as H ነው የሚጠይቃችሁ which G ምንድነው characteristics ነው G sound f s z sh j yeah sh j. All right. So voiced, of course. Palatal, no. Palatal, fricative, no. Okay. Voiceless, ተበላሽ ምክንያቱም ጂ ስትሉ ጂ ቴሌቪዥን voiced ነው ቴታር ግዝጋ ቴሌቪዥን of course ቴሌቪዥን voiced ነው ስለዚህ ቢ አይሆንም ሲ አይሆንም voiceless ስለሚል ከምርጫ ውጭ ታደርጉታላችሁ አሁን ማን ነው የምትወጡት voiced ቴሌቪዥን ፍ ቭ ስ ዝ አልቪዮላር ድምጽ አለ በቃ ጨረሳችሁ ፓላታል አልቪዮላር ድምጾች አሉ የድድ ድምጾች አሉ የድድ ድምጾች ስዝ ናቸው ስዝ ፍሪኬቲቭ ሆነ የድድ ድምጾች ስዝ ናቸው ሽጂ just palatal sound alveolar that's called palatal sound ናቸው እነዚህ palatal sound ናቸው so the answer is palatal ብላችሁ መልሱልኛላችሁ please. These are the theoretical part of especially for sound questions on sounds basically spoken one questions actually. I think if you know clear I'll give you some clarification I was concerned about diphthong, triphthong, sound, stress, intonation, rhythm, how they affect about one's pronunciation, they affect in the mirror. If important, I'll give. Why don't we go for out? Why don't we go out for a drink here? Bob, why don't we go out for a drink? This is an informal invitation now. Okay, sometimes the expression is informal actually. So what is the response here? I'm in a hurry. Is it really relevant? B. I'm sorry, but I'm with someone. All right. Do you like to drink wine? Yes. You are so kind. It's not, please. Yeah. Why don't you go out for a drink? It means sometimes አማራጭ ሰጥተው ምናልባት ያን የሰጠውን አማራጭ ላይ ካላደረገ ሌላ አማራጭ ሲያቀርብ እንደዚህ በማድረግ ፈንታ ለምን እንደዚህ አናደርግም ሊለው ይችላል። ካልሆነ ኢንፎርማሊ why don't we go out for a drink ብሎ ኢንቫይት ሊያደርገው ይችላል። Either accept, that's nice, interesting, that's okay, great, fantastic. Okay, I like your invitation. Possible, I love your invitation. Accept that's okay, Carl. Accept. No, thank you, but I'm sorry. I don't have time to. I'm not feeling well. Sorry, I have already engaged. Sorry, I'm writing something. I'm writing a report work. These are refusing with reason, polite refusing. So, I'm sorry, but I'm with someone. ነው የሚለው አይደል ሰው ጋር ነው የሆነ እንግዳ ጋር ስለዚህ I'm not go with you for a drink ነው እያለ I'm not go with you for a drink ነው የምትለው so the answer is B ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ absolutely you are right. You are discussing something with a friend but the time is over and you want to leave. You want to know the exact time. How would you like to say exactly? You are talking something with your friend but when you realize that whenever you think that there is an appointment outside but you want to leave from your friend so you want to ask you want to know the time so what you like to say on the last one so friend it's time and I must go now yeah my watch is broken here my watch is broken yeah my watch is broken I left little time what time is it all right so is the watch working properly አያችሁ ምንድነው ማለት how would you like to say you want to know the exact time ነው የሚለው yes ሰዓቱን ትክክለኛውን ሰዓት ማለት ትፈልጋለህ ምንድነው ማለት ነው I left little time what time is it asking for time spoken to what time is it what is the time please do you have a watch could you tell me the time please can you tell me the time do you mind if you tell me the time all these are the possible ways of asking time which are polite actually so my friend it is time I must go now አይደለም you must know you want to know the exact time አለ አይደል ትክክለኛውን ሰዓት ማያስ ስትፈልግ it is time I must go now ብለህ አትጠይቅም it's wrong ነው please so this is called asking for and giving time actually. The second question is question number 16 show past tense and customer shopping ማለት ነው ያ spoken to. The shop assistant begins the conversation with the customer. Yes, please. Yes, what is the expected expression from the customer? How can I help you? Right, that's okay. Wow, fantastic shop. It's not my concern. If I am a customer to Mr. X shop, I cannot say which is not expected from me as a customer. Fantastic shop. I don't know, maybe it's my first time to enter to the shop. It's not expected from the customers. Whatever the shop passes your family actually. አትልም አይደል? አይደለም የማታውቀው ሱቅ የምታውቀው ቢሆን እንኳን ምን አይነት ሱቅ ነው ያለ ብለህ appreciate አድርጋከው. Glad to meet you, Mr. Bob. It's not a time to introduce yourself. Yeah. ስትዋወቅ ደስ ይለኛል ሚስተር ቦብ ይባላል. Nothing, no need. I'm looking for applause. Yeah, right. I'm looking. Yes, please. How can I help you? አይለው ምን ልርዳ አይደለም። ይሄ ኤክስፕሬሽን የሾፕ አሲስታንት ኤክስፕሬሽን ነው። የከስተመር ኤክስፕሬሽን አይደለም። አይሆንም። አሁን yes, please. I directly enter to the shop and looking the what I want to buy. Yes. Then yes, please. Yeah, thank you. I'm looking for a blouse. Or can I have a blouse, please? Could I have a blouse, please? All right. እንደዛ ብዬ ነው የሆነ ጃኬት ሱሪ ሸሚዞች እያየሁ ነበር ጃኬት ፈልጌ ነበር ወይም ጃኬት ልሰጥ ትችላለህ ብዬ ነው የምጠይቀው ስለዚህ I'm looking for a blouse. Blouse means shirt ማለት ነው ያ shirt. This is true, please. ሌሎቹ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም. Take care, please. How can I help you? ከስተመሩ አይልም. Yes, please ማለት good morning, good afternoon. What can I do for you? How can I help you? What can I do for you ማለት ነው yes, please ማለት nice. Question number 17. This is telephoning receiver. Hello, 11245 What is the expected expression from caller? ምንድነው የሚለው ሪሲቨሯ ስልኩን አነሳችሁ አይደል እንደዚህ ስትለው ኮለሩ ምንድነው who are you? Is it really acceptable expression? Who are you? It's wrong, please. Which is aggressive and aggressive which is not really appropriate for this. And just what should I do? It's not a time to ask advice, please. What can I help you? No. Could I speak Mr. Malak, please? Exactly. ልክ ነው ስልኳ ልክ ሴክሬታሪ አልቶን ትችላለች ስልኩን ትታነሳም ደግሞ could I speak Mr. Malak, please? ለምሳሌ yes አነሳችሁ yeah hello this is 3333112 yes okay thank you this is from Mr. Cap from Family English Language Improvement Center. Can I speak Mr. Abdi, please? Can I speak Mr. Abdi? Could I speak Mr. Abdi? I would like to talk about Mr. Abdi. I want to meet Mr. Abdi. That's the way, please. One way. መጀመሪያ ራሴን አስተዋውቄ ማንን እንደፈለኩኝ መጠየቅ መቻል ነው ካልሆነ ራሴን ባላስተዋውቅ could I speak the manager, the vice manager, the sales manager? Could I speak the secretary ብዬ መጠየቅ ነው የሚገባኝ እንጂ who are you? What should I do? What can I help ብዬ ልጠይቅ አይችልም ነው so it's not true for telephoning, please. Telephoning through secretary እሱ ማለት ነው የጥያቄ question number 18 a stranger and boy asking for and giving direction now. Yeah. Could you show me the nearest pharmacy, please? Could you show me the nearest? Can you show me how do I get to? It is the right way to. Which is the right way? Which bus goes? Of course, possibly express for asking direction. ምንድነው የሚለው ልጁ? Why do you ask me? No. A very poor quality expression. አትልም እንደዛ ብለን. Why don't you ask someone over there? እኔ ለምን ጠይቀኛል እዛ ጋር ያሉትን ሰዎች አጠይቅም እንዴ why do you ask someone yes why do you ask someone over there it's wrong መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም I'm afraid I'm new here myself exactly because I don't know the place where that strange guy asked me please yeah ካላወቁት ልክ ነው I'm sorry I don't know please ይቻላል I'm sorry I can't help you ይቻላል I'm sorry I'm a strange person here myself ይቻላል I'm sorry I'm new here myself ይቻላለሁ I'm sorry I don't know, but you ask someone who stands over there. These are the possible ways. If I do not know the place that someone asked me, if I know, we have different ways of expression that I point to where that person asked me the correct direction. Exactly. That's the way, please. ቆጥሬ ወይም ኤክስፕሬሽኑን ገልጬ በዚህ ታይም ላይ ሊበቃ አይችልም anyway ግን ይሄ መልስ ነው nice question number 19 the receiver and caller telephoning yeah could I ask a message to him please maybe he receiver all right yeah this is Sheraton days what can I do for you what can I help you yes could I speak the manager please I'm sorry he isn't in I'm sorry he's outside I'm sorry he isn't in a meeting I'm sorry he's outside the country ከሴክሬታሪዋ እንደዛ አይነት መልስ ሳገኝ ምንድነው የሚለው could I take ለምሳሌ I'm sorry he isn't in could I take a message to him? No ምትል ሴክሬታሪ የለም እዚህ ለጊዜው ቢሮ አይደለም መልእክት ሊቀበልህ ይችላል አለች ምንድነው ምለው ነው what do you think ምንድነው what do you think ማለት ምን ታስባለህ ምን ታስቢያለሽ right no this is my first calling የመጀመሪያ ደወል ነው ይባላል it's wrong don't worry about that no ይሄን ምልበት እንትን የለኝም yes you tell him John called exactly ሁለት ጉዳይ አለ እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው ይያል ያለው ጆን ደውሎ ነበር ብለሽ ነገሪው ነው አንድ ይቻላል ያው you tell him John called one way ካልሆነ ደግሞ no thank you አልከባለደር no thank you አልከባለደር አልከባለደር አመሰግናለሁ በኋላ ደውላለሁ በሚቀጥለው ደውላለሁ ይሄ ነው የሚቻለው so the answer is D ብላችሁ መልሱልኛላችሁ question number 20 here Obang and Mark I would like to introduce myself to you I'm Mr. Obang I work on network event here yes Obang is going to introduce about himself and his position to Mark what is the expected expression from whenever Obang introduces himself just like that formal introduction ማለት ነው አይደል Hi I think I work in tele office is it right Hi everyone I'm Mark no hello I'm Mr. Mark Neil Mark Thompson I'm head of marketing division exactly because the expression or the introduction is formal here one the language is formal language second there is title here title እነዚህ ነገሮች መኖራቸው ቋንቋው ምን አድርጉታል ፎርማል ነው ስለዚህ introduction formal introduction ነው formal introduction ከሆነ ደግሞ እኔም የምተዋወቀው ሰውዬ በፎርማል introduction ነው የምጠቀመው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው ሲ ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ please interesting question please let me come the next question please Darshan and Abel yeah how is the teacher like how is the teacher or how is your English teacher like actually in short describe your teacher በሌላ አገላለጽ ምን ይፈልጋል ምናምን ነገር አይደለም እስኪ መምህርህን ግለጸው ነው ወይም personally can you describe the teacher's personality it means right so there is a need of some more descriptive words you cannot stay simply in a line if you know the teacher you can describe the teacher with personal qualities or adjectives which possibly describe someone's quality that's either positive quality or maybe negative quality that's the expected expression from the given questions you do not simply ask here my teacher is Mr. Thomas teacher is my teacher is no nothing appropriate and relevant response አይደለም ነው like he is a college student no his name is Gurma he lives in Bahadar he is wonderful energetic elegant መልሳችሁ የብቻ ነው አሁን የሰጠሁት ማብራሪያ ይሄን እንድትመልሱልኝ ለምሳሌ if you are in short list to take an interview for a job application a job interview ለምሳሌ describe yourself ስትባል I'm Mr. John I'm 25 I'm Minamin nothing that's not you are talking about yourself no yes I'm team worker I'm dedicated to my work I'm punctual I'm problem solving I have problem solving skill I like challenging እነዚህ ጉዳዮች ያንተን personality describe የሚያደርጉ ነገሮች ናቸው so how is your teacher like ማለት እንደዚህ ያድርግ ነው እያለ ያለው question number 22 assume you meet just right look here 22 assume you meet an important person in a meeting and you want to introduce yourself to him how would you like to introduce yourself an important person ማለት formal introduction ነው meeting ላይ ስብሰባ ላይ ይሄን ሰው አገኘው ምን ብለም ታሳውቀው good morning sir it's a greeting it's greeting are you Mr. Melat it's informal language actually happy to meet you just my name is Dr. Akelu yes this is formal one the expression is formal second there is a title Dr. Akelu here it makes the context what formal the rest is not ways of introduction especially formal አይደሉም interesting question 23 a speaker says you are coming to the meeting which intonation pattern turns this statement into surprise actually one of suprasegmental ማለት ሲለበልን አፌክት ሊያደርጉ የሚችሉ ኤሌመንቶች ናቸው ያ ማለት ምንድነው feeling intonation rising intonation ነው አሁን እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው የሚላቸው you are coming to the meeting የሚለው surprise intonation እንዲኖረው አድርግና የትኛውን intonation ነው የሚወስነው you are coming to the meeting you are coming to the meeting you are coming to the meeting look here you are coming to the meeting you are coming to the meeting normal no rising intonation no feeling intonation you are coming to the meeting you are coming to the meeting you are coming to the meeting you came to the meeting surprise so rising intonation አሁን ባሳየዋችሁ መሰረት በዚህ መልክ ነው actually ይሄንን pronunciation እንትን ላደርግ የሚችለው failing intonation you are coming the meeting ያ high low ማለት you are coming the meeting no surprise እና yes no questions ምን ጊዜም intonationአቸው መጨረሻ ላይ rise ነው የሚያደርገው ድምጻቸው ከፍ ዝቅ ብሎ ይጀምራል ከፍ ብሎ ይጨርሳል surprise እና yes ለምሳሌ do you like to eat fish yeah do you like to eat fish do you like to eat fish ነክሮ do you like to eat fish no poor pronunciation no meaning at all what's your name what do you live where do you live how often do you speak English how often do you speak English how often do you speak አያችሁ ራይዝ ያደርጋል ፌል ኢንቶኔሽን ያደርጋል I'm a teacher ራይዝ ያደርግና ፌል ያደርጋል ለዛ ነው ይሄንን ሰርፕራይዝ እና yes no question ምን ጊዜም ራይዚንግ ኢንቶኔሽን ነው የሚያደርገው ድምጻቸው interesting please 24 just friend you look wonderful today yeah ምንድነው ይሄ you look wonderful today compliment ማለት ነው appreciating or giving recognition for someone's physical appearance maybe his dressing style his walking style his pronunciation maybe his approaches okay just approach not achievement አይደለ ኮምፕሊመንት ስናደርጋን ሰው ፊዚካሊ አይተነው አለባበሱ አካሄዱ አጠቃቀሙ አነጋገሩ ምናምን ማራኪና የተለየ ከሆነ አፕሪሺየት ስናደርግ ሪኮግኒሽን ስናደርግ ወይ ኮምፕሊመንት ስናደርግ እንጠቀምበታለን በን አቺቭመንት ጋር ይገናኝ you look wonderful today ሲል ምንድነው ምናለው we have some different ways of accepting the compliment or accepting the recognition please the appreciation here I'm handsome is it right you look wonderful I'm handsome no it's too stupid expression right just hearing good exactly hearing good yes I'm hearing good nice I'm glad you like it I'm glad you say it I'm always with you what do you want to say no I don't know hearing good thank you for saying this ማለት ነው hearing good ማለት I appreciate for saying this ይሄን ስላልከ ያመደግ ያ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ ነው I'm hearing good ጥሩ ነገር ሰማሁኝ of course ልክ ነው ሌሎች ግን ሊሆኑ አይችሉ what do you want to say ምን ማለት ፈልገ ነው I'm always with you ሁሉ ጊዜ ይሄ ኦፒኒየን ነው yes agreement ነው I'm always with you ማለት but the question is not opinion question አይደለም compliment ነው recognition መስጠት ነው actually number 25 you have a headache but you don't want to take a strong medicine you ask your friend why right አሟል headache ራስ አሟል ግን በጣም ከበድ ያለ ሜዲሲን መጠቀም አትፈልግም ስለ ለጓደኛ ምን ብለ ነው የምጠይቀው ነው የሚለው you should take an aspirin no I recommend you rest what do you think I should do exactly what do you think I should do ምን መድኃኒት በወስድ ጥሩ ነው ብለህ ታስባለህ ነው yes look the question you have a headache but you don't want to take a strong medicine you ask your friend እንዴት ነው ጓደኛ ነው የምጠይቀው ኤን ተመልከቱት yes you should no advice ነው የሰጠው give me no what do you think I should do የትኛውን ነገር በወስድ ጥሩ ብለህ ታስባለህ so the answer is actually C ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ በጣም ትክክል ነው question number 26 nice imagine you meet an old man on your way carrying two heavy bags two heavy sacks and the old man was so tired he couldn't carry the sacks you read that the old man needed a help what you like to say to him no አንተ ወደ እስራኤል ወይ ከእስራኤል መጣ መንገድ ላይ የሆነ ሽማ ትልቅ ሰውዬ የሆነ ትልቅ ሳክ እንትኖች ነገር ተሸክሞ አገኘውና ሰውዬው መሸከም መንቀሳቀሳቸው ደክሞታል መድከሙን አንተ ሪያላይዝ አደረክ ምንድነው ማለት የሚገባ ነው ምንድነው ማድረግ የሚገባ offering for help ማለት ነው ማለት ሰውዬውን ለማገዝ ምንድነው የምታደርገው it mean can you help me it's not offering አይደለም asking for some answer why don't I help you the first sack it's wrong please could I help you in carrying one of the sacks please አንዷን ሳክስ ወይ አንዷን እንትን እቺ አንዷን የሆነች ማዳበሪያዋን ላግዝህ ይችላልው ኦፈር ማረው can I help do you mind if I help you I wonder if I that's right ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው could I help you please could I help you if I carry if I use if I hold one of the sacks please so the answer is only C ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁልኝ በጣም ትክክል ናችሁ please offering ነው please treat the context ተረዱ በጣም you want to know if your manager thinks that the new design is good you ask yeah ከፍቷችኋል አይደል you want to know if your manager thinks the new design is good you ask እንዴ ብለህ ነው የምትጠይቀው አዲሱ ዲዛይን ጥሩ መሆኑን ማወቅ ትፈልጋለህ እንዴ ነው ልጠይቀው የምችለው what are you feeling on the new design do you like it or not you like it right tell me your opinion now it's not actually BCD አይደሉም BCD አይደሉም ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው መልሳችሁ please yeah A ካላችሁ አሁንም አልተሳሳታችሁም please what's feeling about the new design yeah yes right I have this my new design I want to know how much you like the design I want to know your opinion about how much you like what's your feeling about the new design what do you think of the new design how do you see the new design what's your attitude towards the new design and just what is your point of view regarding about the new design what's your concern about that these are the possible ways of asking opinion about whether I want to know that I want to know about that is the manager's opinion regarding my new design absolutely that acceptable expression for asking opinion nice but the approach of the question is simply not directly stated right an indirect question focusing on spoken to asking for and giving opinion የጠየቋችሁ ያዘጋጀው ጥያቄውን so the answer is just like that please yes what Anna and Susina what you said is true but you missed the implication what's the response for Susina ልክ ነው ነገር ግን implication ወይም አጠቃቀሙን ወይ ጥቅሙን ሚስ አድርገሽዋል ነው ያልኩት sometimes true is that I know but the implication not somewhat productive አቃለው ነገር ግን implication ያን ያክል ውጤታማ ስላልሆነ ነው exactly whatever you said is true you will not convince ምንም እንኳን የፈለገ ነገር እውነት ቢሆንም እኔን ኮንቪንስ አታደርገኝም ነው የምትለው እሷ nothing that's not the answer please this is somehow in relation with interviewing you know የጠየቁት so the answer is actually B your friend says look your friend says the movie was absolutely incredible you agree completely what do you say I take your point on that actually አሁን ይሄ ሰው your opinion ነው አይደል ፊልሙ incredibly just right was absolutely incredible በጣም nice ነው interesting you know fun ነው ስለዚህ ምንድነው I take your point ይለኛል agree ነው yes I take your point I agree with you I'm with you on that certainly exactly definitely informal agreement absolutely so the answer is A actually that's right question number 30 your colleague says the deadline should be tomorrow you think it needs 2 more days how would you disagree politely ከፍቷችኋል አላ your colleague says ጓደኛ ነው ያ deadline የአፕሊኬሽኑ መጨረሻ ነገ ነው ግን ምን ትፈልግ you think it needs some more 2 days ሁለት ቀን እንዲጨመር እንዲራዘም ትፈልጋለህ ነው የሚለው how do you disagree ይሄንን መራዘሙን አንተ አልፈልክም ስለዚህ disagreement እንዴት ትገልጻለህ ነው የሚለው that's wrong it's wrong it's aggressive ነው please that's wrong ተብሎ አይገለጽም actually that I know that the deadline is on tomorrow let me explain orally I know the deadline is on tomorrow yes the deadline is tomorrow I want to extend at least 2 days if my friend doesn't agree with me no that's not the way please that's not the way please just right we might need that's not the time is not enough the day is not enough we might need some extra 2 days please we might need some extra 2 days please ሰዓቱ አልበቃም ተጨማሪ 2 ቀን ቢጨመርልን እንፈልጋለን በየ ዲስአግሪ ያደርጋለሁ ልክ ነው ለዛ ነው and we want only 2 days please or could you add or would you add if you add 2 days please all right so I see your point but I think we might need a little more time please ልክ ነው ሐሳቡ ትክክል ነው ነገር ግን የተወሰነ ሰዓት እንፈልጋለን ብለ politely ሐሳቡን ትቃወማለህ that's right please yeah question number 31 which one of the following word is one syllable ነውምላችሁ one syllable ማለት 2 syllable word 3 syllable word 4 syllable word 5 short syllable ነው የሚላችሁ pronounce ታደርጉ father 2 syllable ነው go all right hi player 1 syllable go this is nice you just meet someone and want to know he or her hobbies politely what do you ask yes you just meet someone and want to know his or her hobbies politely yeah የሆነ ሰው አገኘና ሆቢውን ማወቅ ምን እንደሚሰራ ማወቅ ፈልጉ እንዴት ብዬ ነው የምጠይቀው ነው take an example ለምሳሌ I have a friend I want to know what he did during his free time hobby ማለት someone does something during his free time for relaxation hobbies እንደዛ ነው የምገልጸው አንተ ጊዜ ለማሳለፊያ ራስህን ለማዝናኛነት መስራቸው ስራዎች አሉ አይደለ ታስ ሆቢ ብለህ ነው የምትገልጸው ስለዚህ እንዴ ነው የምትጠይቀው what do you do during your free time what do you do during your free time absolutely Yes, what do you do during your free time? What do you like to do during your free time? Could you like to tell me what you do during your free time? Could you like to tell me what you do during your free time? Polite expression for asking someone for doing for his free time. Yes, right. So let's even what do you like to do during your free time? Do you have hobbies? Yes or no? You like sport? Yeah. What's your favorite color? No, it's the answer. But ልክ ያልሆኑ ኤክስፕሬሽኖች ናቸው። ቴክ ኬር ጥያቄዎችን ስትሰሩ አንደኛ ፖላይት ሚኒንግፉል የሆነ ነው የምትመልሱት። ፕሊዝ question number 33 you just meet someone, right? You taste a dessert, right? 33 ይኸውላችሁ you taste a dessert and absolutely love it, taste it, delicious much. You express by saying yeah, right? You know, dessert food, special food, and absolutely love it. You like it because it's delicious. Yes, important. So in this ያን ነገር ምግብ like it እንዴት ነው የሚገልጸው ነው? Yes, it's not bad. It's not bad. No bad ማለት something ጥሩ ነው፣ ጥሩ አይደለም፣ መካከለኛው ለማለት እኮ ነው። I'm important to it. I'm impartial to it. Impartial to it ማለት no partial ነኝ actually ማለት ነው። You cannot signify using this expression, please. አገልጾም I prefer something else. Yes, I am crazy about it. Absolutely, I'm crazy about it. I'm mad about it. This is a strong expression for expressing like this, please. I'm crazy about it. I'm mad about it. And I'm keen on about. I'm interested. I enjoy eating about it. Yes, right. Absolutely love it. I'm crazy about ማለት በጣም አንድ ነገር like የምትራው extremely like የምትራው ነገር የሚገልጽበት expression. I'm crazy about it. I'm mad about it. I'm mad about eating honey. I'm crazy about eating burger especially. So the answer is I'm crazy about it. ብዬ ነው የምገልጸው please. I'm crazy ልክ እንደ እንትን ያደርገኛል እሱ ነገር ለማለት ነው። Number 34 you are invited at dinner. You try to drink the soup but you don't like it. The host asks how it is. What is the most polite response? Yeah? ራት አዛሃል ነገር ግን you try to drink a soup but you don't like it. Yeah, soup ማለት ራስ ከሚመጣ ድረስ የሆነ ሾርባ ምናምን ያትክል ሾርባ ምናምን ሰጥ ነገር ግን ሾርባውን አንተ ላይክ አር ዴሊሺየስ አር ላይክ አላደረከው ምን ብለህ ነው the host ask how it is host አስተናጋጁ ጠየቀ ምን ብለህ ነው አንተ የምትመልሰው I'm mad about it. It is disgusting. It's not really my taste but thank you. Exactly. Nice. በጣም ጥሩ የሆነ መልስ ነው። ያ ምክንያቱም language by itself is culture ነው ብያለሁ አይደል? It's not really my taste, but thank you. It's not really my taste, mas. Anyway, that's quite good, but it's not tasty. It's not delicious. Anyway, thank you. Yeah. My taste አይደለም ማለት tasty አይደለም። ለማንኛውም አመሰግናለሁ የፖላይት ሪስፖንስ አደርጋለሁ። So the answer is that. Question 35. Yeah, you want to look here. You want to express that you believe cooperative work is productive, but you want to sound open to discussion. What do you say? You want to express that you believe cooperative work is productive, but you want to sound open to discussion. Yeah, ልክ ነው። cooperative work አዋጭ ነው፣ productive ያደርጋልና ይሄን ነገር ደግሞ ከሌሎች ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ መስማት ትፈልጋለህ። እንዴት ብለህ ነው የምትጠይቀው ነው? Yes, right. Cooperative work is the best. Simply stating your personal opinion ነው. In my opinion, cooperative work increases with productivity. Everything knows cooperative work is better. It's obvious that it's your opinion, please. It's your opinion. In my opinion, cooperative work increases productivity. Expressing your feeling, absolutely the right expression. 36. Strange and boy. Along the way to the train station, blank. Boy, take this road and turn left at the crossroad. Yeah, right? Along the way to the train station. Yeah. ወደ ባቡር ጣቢያው የሚወስደው መንገድ አጥፍቼዋለሁ አላገኘሁም። ስለዚህ ብሎ ምን አለ አይደል ነው እንግዲህ take this road and turn left at the crossroad. crossroad ላይ ስትደርስ ወደ ቀኝ ታረግ። ይሄን ቀጥል እዛ ጋር ስትደርስ crossroad ላይ ስትደርስ ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ አለ። ምን ብሎ ቢጠይቀው ነው ይሄን መልስ የሚሰጠው ነው? My question here. Hey, where is the station? Hey, where? No. This is an informal expression. Take care, please. Asking for and giving a direction will give you formal expression or formal language. Because the interaction is between the unknown person. Strange guys ናቸው። Formal ነው፣ polite ነው የምትጠቀው። Excuse me, could you tell me how to go to the train station? Exactly. Sinute. Station? No meaning. I need the station. No meaning actually. So, excuse me, could you tell me the way to the train station? So the answer is absolutely B ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። 37. You are giving directions which sentence uses the correct sequence words actually. አቅጣጫ እያሳያችሁ ያላችሁ የትኛውን ኦርደር ነው ተከትላችሁ የምትሄዱት ነው እንግላችሁ። Yeah, go and turn left and go straight. It's on your left. Just on your right, then turn left. Go straight, then turn left, and it's on your right. መጀመሪያ go straight, ከዛ then turn right, turn left, and what? And it is on your left. ይሄ structure ነው። ይሄ structure ነው. So the answer is order ነው የሚጠይቃችሁ። ጥያቄው the correct sequence ነው የሚጠይቃችሁ። ትክክለኛው አምታታም. First of all, look here. First take this road, and then turn on your right, and finally it's in front of you. Right. Exactly. Question number 38. You went to express the surprise that you hid from your friend. You turn. You want to express the surprise that you hid from your friend. Surprise and this gets into rise. Your tone rises. Yeah. Rise. Tone ድምጽ ይሆናል ማለት ድምጹ ከፍ ይላል በመጨረሻ ላይ right ነው። How delicious food you prepared. You are the first in the world. Oh, wow. This is called compliment again, please. Yeah? Customer, how delicious food you prepared. You are the first in the world. ምን አይነት የሚጣፍጥ ምግብ ያዘጋጀው አንተ በቃ አንደኛ ነህ ብለው ምንድነው ሸፉ የሚለኝ? That's a great idea. Is that right? That's acceptable, meaningful expression. Thank you for saying this. It's none of my business. Reject አደረገው. I know the food is tasty. No. Thank you for your saying, please. Yeah. Thank you for your saying, please. So the answer is what? B ብላችሁ መልሱልኛላችሁ። B. Thank you for your saying, please. Hearing good. Question number 40. You are introducing a friend, Dr. Sarah, to your manager the first time. What is the most formal and polite response, please? Yeah. You are introducing friend, Dr. Sarah, to your manager. Sir, this both. Sir, Dr. Sarah, I would like to introduce you to I would like to introduce you to our manager, Mr. Johnson. Does he ማሳወቅ Sarah? Formal introduction, Nice. Question number 41. Your colleague is stressed. Yeah. Your colleague is stressed about a presentation. You want to give important advice. What do you say? ጓደኛው የሥራ ባልደረባ ስትረስ ጭንቀት ውስጥ ገብቷል በፕሬዘንቴሽን። ስለዚህ እንዴት ነው እንዲረጋጋ አድቫይስ የምታደርገው? ምን ትለዋለህ? እንዴት ብለህ ነው የምትገልጽለት ነው የሚለው? Yes. You must practice more. Okay. If I were you, I'll try practicing in front of the mirror. The problem is yours. Do this. No. If I were you. Ways of expressing, ways of giving advice. You should, you are better, you ought to. If I were you, I recommend you, I suggest you. ብለን ነው አድቫይስ የምንሰጠው እንጂ the problem is yours, do this, you must advise መስጫ ሞዳል ቨርብ አይደለም። እኔ አንተን ሆን ፊት ለፊት ላይ በመስተዋት እያየሁ ፕራክቲስ ማድረግ እችላለሁ። አንተን አይደለም ግን ኢንዳይሬክትሊ አድቫይስ አደረኩ ማለት ነው። ኢንዳይሬክትሊ አድቫይስ አደረኩ። Question number 42. Kasa and Ahmed, climate change isn't real. What do you think? Yes, Ahmed, disagree politely. I'm afraid I disagree. That's not entirely true. That's ridiculous. Of course it is. You might be right. I'm afraid I disagree. ምንም አያሻማችሁ በሐሳቡ ማልስማማ ከሆነ completely disagreement የሚገልጸው I'm afraid አንደኛ ፖላይት ነው፣ ሁለተኛ disagree ማለት expressive for disagreement ነው። You are not perfectly sure about your opinion on a new policy. You are not perfectly sure about your opinion on a new policy. How would you express this uncertainty? This is the wrong policy. Is it possible to say like that? This is a wrong policy, which is aggressive expression, not polite, not assertive expression. I don't know. It seems to me that this policy might need some adjustments. ይመስላል opinion የምገልጸው ይህ ፖሊሲ የሆነ የተወሰነ adjustment ይፈልግ ይመስለኛል ነው ማለት። አንደኛ ፖላይት ነው አገላለጹ very strong expression, energetic አገላለጽ አይደለም የሚፈልገው። The policy is perfect. No, አልጠየቀኝም ጥያቄው። I know the answer. No. So the answer is actually ማን ብላችሁ የምትመልሱልኝ? B ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ አልተሳሳታችሁም ማለት ነው። Exactly, that's right. 44. Please, 44. Adib and Askal, please give my best regards to your sister. Convince sending a message to someone who is not with us. Right? አንድ ሰው ከእኛ ጋር ከሌለና ለሌለው ሰው መልእክት የምናስተላልፍ ከሆነ ይሄን ኤክስፕሬሽን እንጠቀማለን። Give my best regards to your brother. Please remember me to your brother. ፎርማል ናቸው። ስለዚህ ምን እንላለን? Yeah, thank you, I certainly will. Thank you, I will ይቻላል። Thank you, I certainly will ብለን መልስ እንሰጣለን። So the answer is actually D. Yes, actually D. D ብለን እንሰጣለን። Yes, right. Question 45. How would you, yes, right? Yeah, how would, yes, right? How would you say? He's a doctor to show that you are surprised or doubtful. He's a doctor to show that you are surprised or doubtful. He's a doctor. አሁን ዶክተር መሆኑን አልጠበቅም ነው አይደል? He's a doctor ስትለው ሰርፕራይዝ ስትሆን ለምሳሌ he's a doctor ቢልህ ሰርፕራይዝ ነው መሆኑን አለመሆኑን እኔ ማወቅ ስፈልግ ቶኔ ምን ይመስላል ነው አይደል? He's a doctor. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. He's low pitch ነው low energy ነው የሚፈልገው። a doctor ስል እዛ ጋር ነው ጥይልቁ ነገር ራይዚንግ ሃይ ፒች ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው። ድምፁ ከፍ ብሎ ነው የሚነሳው። ስለዚህ ምንድነው he's a doctor ዶክተር ነው እሱ ነው የምትለኝ ነው እያልኩ he's a doctor so is he a doctor ማለት ነው yes is he a doctor so rising intonation surprise yeah excuse me sir belong to the National Museum 46 excuse me sir belong to the National Museum sure work straight for 2 blocks is on your right yes can you tell me or no where is the museum? No. Is there a museum? No. Do you know where is? No. Yes. Where is the museum to? Excuse me, sir. All right. Can you tell me how to get to? How to get to? Yeah. How to get to the National Museum? Yes, right. Museum. 47. You are at a party with your friend, Mike. You see your other friend, Sarah. How do you introduce them casually? Right. ከጓደኛ ጋር ፓርቲ ላይ ነው አጋጣሚ ጓደኛ ሁለተኛዋ ጓደኛ ሳራን ፓርቲው ላይ ያገኛል። ሳራና ማይክል እንዴት ነው ታሳውቃቸው? Informal introducing others here. Sarah, allow me to present Mikhail. Nice. Mike, this is Sarah. Sarah, Mike. Sarah, shake hands with Mikhail. Impossible. So your acquaintance, Sarah. Acquaintance means friend, not true. Sarah, Mike. This is Sarah. Sarah, this is Mike. Informal introducing others. I act as a mediator because I meet off my friends in a party. Nice. 48. You seem busy. May I give you my hand, please? Offer me a rokutan. You seem busy. May I give you my hand, please? You. I'm gentleman. Oh, who told you that I'm busy? Man, what do you think about my badness? Yeah. Hey, many thanks that I can manage it. Yeah. Many thanks that I can manage. So you can follow the look yes? Many thanks for. I'm a second again. I can manage this one. I'm still strong marathon. Yes. I'm still strong marathon. So that I can have a second again. I'm still strong. I can manage this. Okay. Look at them. So the answer is D. Number 49. One of your friends gave you a nice opinion about something, but this opinion is not in line with what you asked him. How do you say? Yes. አንድ ጓደኛ አንድ ሆነ ኦፒኒየን ሰጠ። ግን የሰጠ አስተያየት አንተ ከምትፈልገው ነገር ጋር ፓራራ አይደለም ነው እያለ ያለው። ምንድነው የምትለው ነው የምትለው? Poor opinion you raise. Is that right? No, that's poor opinion you raise. No, aggressive. Right? ልትጣላ ይችላል እንደዛ ጋር good effort but you inclined only what is in your mind ጥሩ ነው ነገር ግን አንተ ኦፒኒየን የሰጠው አምሮ ላይ ስላለው ጉዳይ ነው you completely reject when I ask you about to give an opinion ስለጠየቀው ኦፒኒየን ግን አይደለም አምሮ ላይ ስላለው ጉዳይ ነው nice I don't like it totally no interesting idea so right polite expression here no please it is polite please question number 15 yeah which one of the following expressions is acceptable to open a speech in a larger number of audiences? Generally spoken actually. አንድ የሆነ ኦዲየንስ ላይ ብትጋበዝና ስፒች እንድታደርግ ብትጋበዝ እንዴት ነው ስፒቹን የምትከፍተው ነው እንግዲህ ስፒቹን እንዴት ትጀምረዋለህ ነው እንግዲህ I'm the only presenter and come here on a stage. That's right. No. I'm up to trade it but I'm going to present my speech. Yeah. ይቅርታ ያን በማለቴ ነገር ግን ንግግሬን እጀምራለሁ of course. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my today's speech. Yeah. First of all, great ታደርጋለህ እዚህ ጋር ሬስግሬት ታደርጋለህ፣ ራስን ታሳውቃለህ። ከዛ በኋላ ያንተን ስፒች እንዳዳመጡ ኢንቫይት ታደርጋቸዋለህ፣ ወደ ጉዳይ ትገባለህ ነው። This is not the only expression, but there are some more expression, opening statements. Whenever you stand in front of a larger number of audiences to present an agenda about something, of course, this is one. Nice. Actually, I have prepared 50 questions. The 50 questions are from spoken 1 and spoken 2. I think you'll get some key points from this, and try to make ready, aware yourself, and you realize that the approach of the question actually. And I hope you watch the video and you'll get something important and you will achieve your goal. Achieve your goal means you will pass with a remarkable grade for your exit examination. That's your last goal, please. And subscribe, like, share, and write comment to Mr. Kabadam. This is what I want to tell today, please. Nice. Goodbye, please. Have a nice time. Next time, I'm going to present linguistics and basic writing skill, please.